Hello guys. Today I want to share some information with you that will greatly benefit you in the now and in the future. I know a lot of this topic doesn't get spoken about, which is financial stability, and which is why I want to share the information with the viewers. I want to explain to you what money is and how to set yourself up to where you are financially stable, so that way you can live a life of freedom and become financially independent and have financial freedom. It's a beautiful day today, as you can see. Uh, just enjoying the view. And there's only two ways people make money in life. Well, not make money. To make money, you have to be working at a printer machine. So to earn money, there's only two ways people earn money. One way is people working at a job for money and exchanging their time for money. I was there too. So what you want to do, the other option is having money work for you. So when you have money work for you, you no longer have to work. So the money is just working for you, just making money in your sleep. So this is where I've placed myself in. So even if when I'm sleeping, I'm making money. Well, not making, earning money. So there's four quadrants to this. There's the job, having a job, which is an employee. And I'm not saying anything wrong with that, because everyone have different lifestyles and everyone choose how they want to live their lives. It all depends on the lifestyle you want. Decide on the lifestyle you want, then find a way to incorporate those ways into your lifestyle so it can support you. So one quadrant on the left side is the employee. It's imagine a box split vertical and diagonal. So you can just split it vertical. So one side is you working for the money, and the right side is the money working for you. So on the left side you have the employee, and you also have the self-employed. Self-employed people still somehow work for themselves, but they still do limit themselves, because they will find themselves being a bottleneck to their own creation, to their own business, where they cannot be. They have to be there in order for the business to grow. So you have the employee working for a paycheck, and you have the self-employed still working for themselves, but they still have to work. Most of the time they work more than the employee because they work almost like 50, 60 hours a week. Then you have, this is where you want to place yourself in, to have financial freedom and financial stability, because no job is ever stable, clearly, as you can see in our present day. Um, what you have next is the business owners. The business owners, they create a business and they sell a product. And then once they sell that product, the product consistently sells. So even when they are asleep, wherever they're doing, they are earning income, because they are making sales uh, without doing anything. Uh, so the business creates income for them, so they can live a freedom lifestyle as they please. And the next one is an investor. An investor is where you have your money working for you as well, but there's greater risk in investing, especially if you don't know what you're investing in. You can lose a lot of money. Personal experience, which is I've learned a lot. So invest your money and have your money working for you. Let's say if you have $100,000, invest $100,000 in something that creates income for you. So even in your sleep, whatever you're doing in life, you free yourself. Your money is working for you and creating income. So you can just live off the interest alone and have your capital working for you. Most people, they don't think that way, so they limit themselves into the left side of the quadrant, and they either work a job or become self-employed or entrepreneurs. And I mean, it all depends on the lifestyle you want, but a lot of people limit themselves because they don't often think outside of the box. So for me, I do have a business. It's an online business, and I don't have to do anything. I work like only like let's say 2 hours a week, and I'm done. And it creates income. And I also invest in forex currencies. Is similar to the stock market. I don't recommend investing in the stock market right now because it will crash. Just wait till it crashes, then you can start buying everything cheap. But I invest in forex because it's a recession-proof type of investing. Even when the market is down, when the market is up, you can still earn income and have your money make money for you. So either way, you still make your money while everybody's losing jobs and losing income. So I mean, if anyone's interested, I'm always willing to help people learn forex. I've been trading forex for almost 2 years now, and I've lost a lot of money. And that actually helped me create. I've developed a 90% winning strategy because 90% of people in forex lose money. 90% of people that trade forex. That's because everyone is following the blind. Everyone is trading with a system that everybody else is trading. They don't think to think for themselves and say, hey, maybe I need to find another route to do this since everybody is losing money. Maybe I need to find another way, a path less traveled. So this is what I decided. I'm always thinking for myself. I always this is what made me into the, well, I would consider myself a success. This is what made me a success because I'm always taking information from different people. I don't always focus my attention on just one particular subject. I learn everything I can about every subject, and I combine all these subjects and I decipher what I need and take bits of information from each, and then I make it into a conglomerate dish, if you will, for lack of a better word. And then you have something of a new creation, which no one else has. So this is what I've been able to accomplish, and I have a 90% winning strategy, which is why I'm able to live a freedom lifestyle. Because right now, as I'm speaking to you, I have running trades that's making me money, well, that's earning me income, and this is what has enabled me to live a freedom lifestyle. And it all starts with the mind, like I've always said, because once you start thinking of the lifestyle you want, the and start creating the lifestyle you want in your mind, then all the information just floods your mind. You get ideas, and people come to you, events comes to you. So the only really thing you need to start, you don't even, in life, you don't need anything to start but your mind. You can be dirt poor, dirt broke, have nothing, come from the ashes and rise by using your mind. So that's all for the video, guys. I'll make it brief. If you want to learn more about Forex, I'm happy to help. I'm happy to teach, because during this time in this economic crisis, a lot of people, like I've said in 2016, a lot of people are still going to lose their jobs, and it will be difficult for them. But having a way to create income without having to work is a beautiful experience. So that is all I'm saying, is place yourself on the right quadrant and have your money work for you instead of working for the money and trading your time.